Hi everyone, and welcome back to Adventures in Nodeland. I'm so happy to be back streaming today. I'm so stoked. And we are going to do some more platformatic stuff. And I got you got your notification and stuff. So hopefully everything worked as expected. So cool. Here we go. Hey folks. Hi Sam. Yeah, I have a slightly different background than before. So I am in a different setup. I also have some more or less a makeshift lighting, but it actually does the job, which is incredible. Ouch, I forgot a glass. I'll be back in a sec. Yes, here I am. Sorry, I forgot to bring a glass. And I need the glass. Where it is? Here's the glass. Here we go. So anyway, let's do a tweet as usual. I tend to do my tweet. So on. So how are you doing? How are things? Let me tell you, I wish you have more viewers. Yes, that's it. But to be honest, it depends. Like in certain times, it just takes a while to get attention. You know, I don't know why, but it takes a while. So I am every single time I'm gaining more. So slowly and surely. So hopefully at some point they will explode. That's what Ada told me anyway. We'll see. So there is a good question from Damian Parkonko, and this is actually very good. So let me do this. So what are the knowledge and skills that are most important for backend developers? Well, those skills are, I think, a bunch. The most important one, usually, it's communication and be able to work in a team. If you cannot do that, you are actually going to have a hard time working as a backend developer. You're going to work with others as a backend developer. So you cannot be a lone wolf just doing your thing. So you need to work with others. So then the second one is you need to know your runtime, your protocols. I would say you need to know the fundamentals really well. So, you know, TCP/IP, HTTP, DNS, basis of databases, and generic constraints of the environment you're working on. So, what are the base latency requirements for an SSL? How much it costs to create an SSL connection? Yeah, fundamentals. Okay. So on top of that, then you have distributed from the networking fundamentals, I would say, and the operating system fundamentals. Then on top of that, we can add more stuff. So yes, we can build up on top on that. But those are the two things that are probably the what you will need to have to the most important ones. Okay. Oh, Julius, you love the node test runner? I am so happy you do. I love it too. It's fantastic. It's just fantastic. It's perfect. So, yeah, I know. It's freaking great, to be honest. Freaking great. Ciao on Corona. How are you doing? So, it's so happy. So today I'm going to work on Platformatic again. Join me on my stream. Here we go. And we are sending out a Twitch message. a Twitter message. Here we go. So, and share now. Great. Oh, I should make a course out of it. What would you want to? What do you want to do? What do you mean? What a course? I'm just giving away content. I'm just giving away content mostly for free. So I'm very happy to do that and teach people. Try Platformatic though. Okay. Hopefully, it makes some sense. Okay. I hope it contains quite a few. Yeah, okay. Maybe not on this one. Okay. Let's see if I post it, because Buffer complained and said that I could not post it again, so maybe I posted it. How can I know? Here we go. If I posted this up. Yeah, okay, great. I posted this. Amazing. Yes. Oh, okay, interesting. Let me know what question you have. We're going to build some of the stuff today. So, and maybe I can hopefully clarify some details on it. So let's start with, let's open up the chat, and here we go. Where is it? Yay. Great. Okay. Amazing stuff. So let's go and start the scene switcher. Here we go. So if I do that, hey, and if I do that, hey, okay, great. So we can do things. Amazing. So last time, what I was developing was these PR that we left in draft, I think, which is supports arrays in PG, and it had 2 failed tests. Yes, DB core, it's all passing. Okay, it has, is not my problem. We still have a little bit of flakiness here. Okay, we implemented this for we implemented this, which is great. Okay, and it was working. So amazing. So what we are going to do is we are going. So we last time in the last stream we covered adding support for arrays in Postgres, and now let's call it PostgreSQL. Okay, and now we are going to do. We are going to add it to both to add support for it in OpenAPI. Okay, so that if there is one of those things, it's we can actually show it. Okay, so pg. Let's copy this and call it array.test.js. Arrays. Okay. And I only need is PG. Here we go. So skip not is PG. Expose arrays. Okay, so okay, and here we don't need any of that. Okay. And here we create pages and we want to have tags as a varchar 42 not null. Okay. And we post them and we say tags foobar and we get tags and we get foobar. Great. Get and we get the tags. And foobar path. And here we get hello and foobar path. Then here we get that as well. Post. Whoa, okay, a few things. So today is my Platformatic anniversary. Yes, it is more or less, in the sense that I put it on the 15th of July that I started. We started a little bit earlier than that, but yeah, that's when we officially had things going. So yay! And thank you very much, Jeffwood. And then it's I don't know this. I don't understand on Corona. So you said you know, if a series of video in the vein of Mastercard would ensure this first one, maybe we should establish a new set of habits. Ooh, I'm sorry, I'm lost a little bit. Then there is another. Yes, I can give you a very good resource to learn about networking. So, high performance web networking. And here it is. You should read this book from Ilya Grigory. Oh, no, sorry, not this one. This one. You should read this book. It's free. And it's one of the best thing that you can learn about. It's a 2013 book, so you know, and it's still probably one of the best. Probably should need a little bit of an update, to be honest, about new stuff. But HTTP covers all of it, and you should learn all of it. Essentially, it's explained it in very much detail. So please. Okay, so SQL Open API. Ooh. Yeah. You exploded. Ooh, okay. Body must have required property title. Where did we go? Body tag must be string. Yeah, completely going berserk. Okay. I think I need to specify. Well, we'll cross them one by one, essentially. Okay. I think when we do post, put maybe. What are the errors? Yeah, it's 400. What? It's a 400. So we get a 400, and it's no location. Every body tag must be strings. Exactly. Okay. So here we need to entity to routes. Here we go. Schema. Here we go. This is the problem. So yeah. So here, maybe it's in shared. Yes, here it is. Yes. Great. So okay, not the where args. Query keys. This is super interesting. Generate args, so let's do where args. Root. Oh. Yes. Get fields for entity. Ooh. The problem is I needed to turn on the oven for my kids, for my kid dinner. So, okay, so the problem here is we are type, okay, map SQLite type property get primary key param. Don't remember when we needed to do this, so let me just try to figure it out. I wrote this code a long time ago and I totally and freaking forgot about it. It's unbelievable. So where is it? I am so get fields. Okay, here is query string target entity schema. Target entity schema. Where is it? Is it in here? Yes, it's in here. Add schema, entity schema. Okay. Map SQL entity to JSON schema. So it's in here. Map SQL entity to JSON schema. Yes, exactly. Great. Okay. So in reality, I have to add a test in here. Great. So is PG, skip not is PG. Here we go. Oh, look, how many of you follow Prime? You know, my friends, you know, Prime and myself are old friends, right? We have known each other for quite a few years. Before he was doing the all the streaming and Twitch stuff and so on. Before it was Prime, essentially. It went by a different name, you know. I'm joking. And here we need in here. He's a star. Yeah, I know he's a star now. Okay. PG arrays. Great. So, at least, okay, so we need titles and we don't have description or section. Yes, no, we don't have description, we don't have section. We have tags, which is of type array, items type string. Yes. Here we don't have metadata. Tags. Okay. Not that simple. Okay. Yep. If field type field is array, and okay, properties type array, items type. Oh yeah, I need to get the PR name. This code is not in here, so yes, passing. Wow. Impressed by my SQL HT packages, SQL OpenAPI. Okay. Yeah, body must have required property title. What line this is in? It's 85. 85. 85, yes. Yeah, we don't support back, it's full overwritten. And here is, well, we can do hello world here. This becomes hello world. Okay, and this is gets me yes. Oh. Oh, tags is required, of course. Is this right? You need Can remove this for now. Oh no, I need to keep it going. Okay. These are already specified, no need, no need. Okay, it's passed. So I need to go for a sec at putting the stuff in the oven. We should have been preheated. So just give me 1 minute and I'm going to do it. And I am back. Okay, jumped out and in again to get things going. So yeah, hopefully. Sorry about it. Hello. Okay, so we have added it to OpenAPI. We need to add a few more things though. We need to add the where the any clauses and the stuff. So we need to get the but I think this is a good time to do a commit. Okay. Let's just do one commit. Here we go. It's not passing. So standard dash dash fix npx. Here we go. And it's done. It's fast. Okay. Push code. Okay. So we need to support the where parameters here. So the fact that you can use any or at init, okay, or any or all, okay. So and we need them in here query where ARRAYS. Yes, exactly. Okay, so I would say if field is array, so here instead we'll ignore next because it's not going to okay, we need to do this kind of stuff and all any. And yeah, it's not an enum. No, it's not an enum. And key, yeah, this is correct. It's great. Okay, so all like that. Perfect. Perfect. And oh, hi Josh! Joshua, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome learner 0418 and welcome back. Oh yeah, you know, I'm so glad you and all your block of streamers come through. It's always amazing to see you here. So welcome to everybody that just joined. I'm so happy to have you joining. So hey, yeah. So yeah, we are here doing some, you know, OpenAPI dash Node.js development on Platformatic. So we are adding support for an obscure feature of Postgres, obscure to me at least, I didn't know about them, which is arrays. So I didn't know that on Postgres you can actually store an array as a column. I had no idea. So that's what we are doing. So you know, adding it. It's quite interesting. So far we have added supported for it in we added some support for it in OpenAPI. Okay, so and Postgres has a bunch of useful add-ons. Yes, it does. It's actually quite amazing how many things they have. So, but this is actually not an add-on. This is actually core Postgres, which is amazing. Okay? I didn't know. I just didn't know. So here we are getting pages, and now we want also to apply the any operator. So we want to say where tags any equals foo. And this should return an array with this. And if we say any bath, this should be empty. And if we put all and all foo, it should be empty. Let's see if it works. Ooh, exploded in my face. Yes, of course, because of the snapshot. Yes. Okay. What? Query tags? Yes. Makes sense. Ooh, does not make sense. It's a mistake. Made some mistake here. Let's see. So query parameter, if field is array, yes, else, so this is false, yes, it gets added. Seems kind of correct. What is the problem? Okay, tab snapshot array OpenAPI 1. Let's eliminate. Okay. Ah, that's why it's failing. I typo. I'm so bad. Snapshot. Oh my goodness. This. Okay, so that we covered, which is amazing. Okay, and we have it in where I would just not include them in the order by. Yep. Yay! Hi, Brown Nifty. How are you doing? Welcome to the channel. So glad that you're around. Bunch of people. Hello. Lot of streamers. Lot of people from Josh. So hopefully you are all happy to stay on. Okay, so all of these make sense. So So for all of you that are new, what we're doing today is finishing this. Hello. We are finishing this work. Currently working on a SQL OpenAPI and SQL JSON Schema Mapper. So yay. GSSM. Support where and query strings. It's pushing. I always get caught by standard. I am Bevilacqua. I don't know what your first name is, but hello. And yes, thank you for joining up on the channel. So this is me working, and it's aware. I'm not, using bad words in this channel. Usually when I code on myself, I use a lot of bad words, and I swear a lot. But I censor myself, so I'm sorry. I'm not usually, because I also swear in Italian. And you probably will have some fun watching me swearing in Italian. But so this is done and this is done. We are missing SQL GraphQL. Whoa, okay, amazing. Progress, I would say it's progress. So let's look into it. So, GraphQL. SQL graph. Maybe wait, before we do that, let me just run the tests, because I haven't run all the test suite. So let's do that first before I get surprises, right? Yay! So apparently I can control my channel from my phone. Have you ever used this? The switch, the creator mode in the app, like the phone as the Twitch app as a mode where I can actually use it to control it for some reason. I don't know, makes some sense. So I can, yay. Okay. I will need to get a lot of better at that Twitch, to be honest. I'm not a pro at all. There are markers and stuff that apparently people are using, so it's incredible. It's yeah, a lot of people. Welcome, thank you, Josh, for bringing me here. So things test seems to be passing. So yes, okay. So this is good. And then it's popd, pushd, JSON, SQL. Push the packages JSON pm test. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, great. So we can actually and legitimately move to, yeah, okay, great. We can do SQL GraphQL. Here we go. SQL GraphQL. Okay, here we have entity to type. So, well, test. Let's start with the test. We have camel case, composite, SQLite, special stuff. So I can, as I did in the other one, I can take the simple test and just edit it. I call it array and call it a day. Skip is not Postgres. Okay, great. So now I need to look up for the array test.js here, and I need this statement to actually create my database correctly. So we need input title, and then here we want tags. Then here we want the tags, and here we want the tags. Here we go. Let's run this, and CONINFO is not defined. CONINFO and is PG. Okay. And it's throwing. Yes. Okay. So now we need to go into entity to type. And let's go for it. So if does support arrays, if field is array, else if SQL type to GraphQL. Okay. How is this represented? This is interesting. GraphQL. So, I don't remember this. I forgot how complex this can be. So, yeah. It's a GraphQL list. Yes, type GraphQL list. person type. Okay, so technically I need to do question is const list type. Yes, but it's not the list type. Yes, list type. Yes, this makes sense. Okay. What did I do? I did something wrong in this test. Not this test. Input. Oh, wait. Oh, it's passing. Oh, I'm impressed by myself. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, I'm so happy. I am so damn happy. Okay, great. Then I need to support the where clauses, and then we are good, I think. I'm starting. How are these tests going? A lot of in progress tests. Cool. Do you use Postgres, folks? What database do you use? Apparently this is passing. Yeah, where field. Full bar buzz. Okay. So we need to here we go and do pages where tags any full. This is correct. This is pages. And then we need to do any path, and now it's from okay. path, and then all full estimate. So here fields, yes. Yeah, where field if field is and so let fields if fields no and GraphQL fields field yes, here we go. This was done. Okay, and then order by. Keys field if field is array. Here we go. Ooh, fields, field. Yes, only one failed. Great. So happy. Now, one failed. because I made some mistake. Which one? 102. Okay. Technically, this is correct. This failed. Hi, CodeSense. Hello. Hi. How are you doing? Welcoming everybody to the stream. So we're a solver notation. Yes. Here. Yes. Query type plural. Yes. This signifies the best way of debugging anything. Okay, this is any and foo. So technically, this should work. So pages, id, title, and tags, where tags, one of them is foo. Why the heck is not working? Sorry. Kind of lost. 102. Because then what we get is where tags any. Oh, it's an array. What? Why it's an array? It should not be an array. Ha! That's why. Let's print this. And it's a list of type. Yay! Hello, it's working. Here we go. Okay, amazing. We got GraphQL support going. We need to do a standard fix. Here we go. How many of you are front-end developers, folks, versus backenders? We'll see. Ooh, one line is not covered. 179. Of course. Istanbul in your house. Yes. It's happening. Hi, learner. Hello. How are you doing this evening, learner 0418? Don't know why you have a number and 0418 at the end, but look, what does it mean? I don't think it's your birthday, because you will have 5-year-olds, so probably not watching this if you are if you are 5 years. So you know, maybe it's something else. It's a different number. It's a different meaning. We have the tests that are running. It's going! It's happening! Tests. Ah, 109. Of course. Okay, let's do that. Let's invert them so I can use Istanbul ignorance. Here we go! It's going! It's happening! It's happening, folks. Seems it's passing. So, okay, I have a question for you. I don't know where do you folks live, but I have a question. Okay? This is something that leaves me puzzled all the time. So, in Italy and possibly in the whole of the EU, if you have a capped bottle like this one, okay, you have a capped bottle like this one, right? Okay, you have this thing, okay? Now, if you have this, and if you open it up, you have this. You know, you have the cap that does not it does not go away. Do you have this as well in your country? You know, this is a question. And this is not a spot for that bottle, so I didn't, hopefully. If you got the brand, I'm not sponsored by that brand. I would love to, if they want to send me money, I'd be happy to take them, but I don't expect them to. Also, I am going to order something from Amazon, so yeah, we'll see. Okay, so tests are running. Hopefully, we get something out of them. Yay, they're passing, okay. Here we go. Amazing. We got this going. I am so impressed. Only the one that's missing is the type support, but types should just work, to be honest. Because I don't think I need it. I just need to test it. Types should just work out of the box, I think. I'm stoked, totally stoked. I would not have expected to ship this in like 2 hours and something of work. Unbelievable, really unbelievable. This is a good question, Damian. So there is a question from Damian Parkomenko. And do you like programming and why? This is a good question. Do I like programming? Yes, I do. I have been developing software since I was 7 or 8 or 6. Yay. And it's unbelievable, to be honest. I have been coding for more than 30 years at this point, which means it's kind of second nature. I could not even stop if I wanted to. My brain is wired in a very odd way at this point because of all this coding. I cannot exit Vim anymore. I've been a Vim user for more than 20 years. Oh my goodness. I can probably go to Vim Rehab. Okay. I bought this to prevent carpal tunnel, you know. So it's a good piece of equipment if you want to. I don't have a referral link, so I'm not going to post the link, but you need to find them. So do it like that to prevent carpal tunnel. Anyway, I've been developing this much that I have the carpal tunnel thingy down here. Yes, type support. So yes, Bronifty, there is full type support for everything in Platformatic. So let's create a folder and yeah, okay. And if I do yeah, okay, so create Platformatic. Let's pick DB here. I want to use Postgres. Yes. 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 I want to use TypeScript. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No and no. Okay. Ooh. Why is this blinking? It's blinking. There is something blinking and I don't know why. Why is this something blinking? Well, I have no clue. Okay, so all done. We are here. And now this is what you do. This is the type of types that we have available. So, oh, yeah, I've not installed this. So, otherwise it would work. Let me take a look. I need to do this check. Then, to move it. Yeah, it's not a text, but is a varchar array. Okay, so the DB migrations apply. Oh, yeah, of course. Movies. Yes, okay. So the types, let me look at them. Yes, it generates me an array of strings. Amazing. So this works out of the box. Great. And so I can create the undo and show you drop column tags. Okay. So Yes. Okay. So I need to do npm high this command. To get all the types. Amazing. Okay. And so here now we have installed everything. So let's say we want to add a new route in my app. So I could get, for example, a titles route. I want to return all the titles. I can do, for example, get all the movies by getting away app dot platformatic. You see it's from TypeScript, and then I have entities from TypeScript. I have movie. I have find still from TypeScript. I can pass nothing to get all the movies. Then I can just get the titles for all the movies. And I can just do plt start to start my system. And you see that it compiled TypeScript. And then we can open this up. And where is it? So it opened it on the wrong Chrome. Here is the Platformatic DB thing. Here we go. And now we can, for example, open the API and we have the titles. So, but it's empty because we have nothing. Okay. But if you want to add a response, we could. And we can actually run this and execute it. This is because we have nothing, but we could, for example, add a post and say we want full. Oh, sorry, not a post. I want a movie. Yeah, there is some other stuff in this Postgres database apparently. So star Harry Potter. So we can do Harry Potter, and we can execute our Harry Potter. And you see we get the data, and then if I want to get the titles, I have a reporter here. So everything works as expected. So it's pretty great from my point of view. Hi Branches, how many people are working on Platformatic right now? So this is mostly public data. So I'm going to open up the Platformatic company here, and we have on this page people that work here. This is the list of people that works here, and some of them have done some stint on it. Some of them are currently here. Right now we are about 8 working at Platformatic, the company. So, but I am the one mostly doing a lot of the open source work, as other stuff like that. Others are doing other things at the company. So, but we also see them here as contributors. So here we go, it's loading the contributors, and come on GitHub, okay. So here is me, there is Renovate. Renovate is one of my most important collaborators, okay, doing a lot of work in keeping everything up to date. Then we have Leo, we have Leonardo Rossi, Marco Piraccini, Ivan Timoshenko, and Colin Hirik. Then this is Rob Bianchi, is not with us. Simon did a stint with us, is not with us anymore. So it's great. Then we are other folks collaborated, helped, and so on. So yeah, no, things are great. So anyway, loving it. Right? Hello. So okay. So here, yes. So I need docs. Do we need docs? Really, I don't think this needs docs. This should just be good to be good. And no need. Ready for review. Whoa, okay. Then I'm going to ask Ivan, Colin, and Marco to take a look. This is done. Loving it, okay? Now it's about time that I do something slightly different just to spice up my channel. We are going to develop a new module that's not Platformatic related. Oh my goodness. Can Matteo do it in like half an hour? I don't know. Let's see. Let's try making it happen. I want to create a, let's call it test plan. Is this test plan taken? Test plan is taken. Come on. Really? Does plan exist? Plan exists. It's 10 years ago. Come on. It's 10 years ago? Test plan all together? Yes, test plan all together is a good name. Okay, great. GitHub, well, but it's too long. You want a shorter name, so maybe let's do TSPL. Does TSPL exist? TSPL seems not existing. So TSPL seems a good one. Okay. Create this module. TSPL. Test planner for node test. Node met. Create repo. Go. TSPL. Okay. NPM init 001. Test planner count the number of assertion for until pattern or collection. Number assertion for node test index, and its test command is node test.js here, and keyword test plan test node test plan assert. Yes. Why this did not pick my GitHub repo? What? Let's copy this. No clue whatsoever. Okay. Okay. Touch index.js, test.js. Then, okay. So use strict const test node test. Okay. Const tspl require. Okay. Simple test plan. Okay. So plan.length. Yeah, plan. So we want the TSPL and we want to pass T. And then I want to specify the number. So it's not, well, I don't want nothing here. Simple test plan. Test plan is plan assert. So here I want to do assert strict equal, and I want end, and then I can do await end. This is async. Okay. Great. Then and simple test plan failing. Okay. So here I'm specifying an after function. Okay. Let fn okay, so and okay. We have 6 strict equal, then we want to, so if I call fn, okay, this is const search await search rejects, and this is the plan was not completed. Okay. T as an after function, so I can just call it here and things. Here we go. So, okay. npm test. Yes, it's not a function. Great. Okay. So let's verify everything works as expected. So this is function tspl and module dot exports tspl. Let's make, yes, I think this is fine, and we take an argument of this is the test, and then so we have function auto end, and this is t, this is t after, and it's auto end. Okay. Now I run this, it's as it is undefined. Yes, cool. Return. Then we have a function. This is j. Okay, and this is end. Function end. But to be honest, I just need end. That ended. False. If ended. Yeah, return a function. So this is an async function. Assert strict the plan. Oh yeah, it's yes. No, I need to do function auto end. And here it's auto end, and auto in auto end, if not ended, we need, I don't think this is easy to throw an error. Throw new error, and this, here we go. Yes, I'm using it at Copilot, yes, of course. Assert strict equal, yes, okay. So use strict, cast assert. So console log object dot keys assert. Fail, yes. So we should call it assert.fail, not throw new error. Okay. And here let's do that. And here I need to do so for const method of and yes, this does the trick, but this will not get our test passing, or maybe it will. A set strict equal is not a function. Ooh. It does not, it's not exactly, oh, sorry, what? Yeah, not exactly, way too many. I need deep strict equal. Yeah, no, I did. This is one is strict equal. Yep. Starts with a small letter. We do that. Okay. Method test is not linked 930. Oh, match. Yes. Where do I learn to code? I see you are a fast coder. And why the heck? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. I see you're good at a fast coder. I've learned to code a long time ago. So I've been coding for 30 years. So I don't know if that makes some sense. Okay. And yay, amazing. So I want to let's do count plan show. So here I want strict equal and okay, this is not needed anymore. I can put T in here and I can do end, not completed, to a session completed below. Okay, so T opts and let plan opts. So plan minus minus, and this is const plan. Let actual 0, so 35. This is actual plus plus. So if it was not ended true, okay? If plan and plan different from actual, yeah. Copilot is very helpful. Oh, what? What is throwing? 26. Okay. Ah, it's an assertion error. Okay, I need to. I started coding when I was 6 or 8 or something like that. Between 6 and 8. I don't know. Maybe my dad was put myself in a computer when he was typing when I was 4. So I'm not 45, I'm 39. So yeah, you know, but I'm still old. So the plan was not completed, line 17. And line 17. Yeah. Why? Line 20. must be of type. Oh. Oh, it does not reject, so here it's an async function. We're going to test this later, but I forgot. So why that must be the plan was not completed. A save type string. So let me see. What is this assertion error? Options. Ah, okay. Oh, it's the message, actual, expected. Oh, okay. So this is the message. Okay, and then the operator is fail. But I don't think it is. So let's yes. Yes. Defend was called. No, it is. Completed. If not ended, yes. This is shouldn't be here. Yes, okay, all of this is passing. Okay, great. So we are if then, but to be honest, it's yes, let's do that. Okay, amazing, but I need something different here. If plan strict equal expected And the first one is plan, and the other one is actual. This now fails. Okay, and this is become expected and expected 0, actual 2. No, it's the reverse. So actual expected. Okay. Expected 2, actual 0. Okay, so there is a good question here. How do you configure preterness in your project? Have you tried using this config in multiple repositories? I don't configure ESLint, I don't configure prettier, I just use standard when I have. Actually, let's configure it now here. So here I do standard and so npm I standard -- fix npx standard -- fix. It's fixing the code, so it's like ESLint, but it's like prettier, but with same default. So it's complaining that and is a 715. It's failing because I don't need this. And is assigned to a value but never used. So here I don't need 3. I just need end. But never used. Here we go. Okay. And I probably want to do some of this because otherwise I am doing something odd. Here we go. Okay, great. So we have the test plan. Thank you, Smiling Big. I am just mostly a JavaScript developer and I tend to do mostly a functional style, minus when it's low. So, yay. I don't think you can add custom rule in standard, but that's the full point actually. So, okay, simple test failing. Okay, we count the number of plans, the number of stuff, when it ends. So when it ends, the plan was not call end when the plan is not completed. But if I need to do this with the number, so here I need t and then I need a plan 2. Oh yeah, I need also plan. So simple test plan with counter failing, simple test plan with counter. Okay, so here we do plan 2. Okay, and failing with counter, test counter failing on in after. Okay, so the problem here is the plan was we want this. Okay. But counter completed in after no errors. Okay, and this is, I need const okay. Fn not defined 74, it's underscore fn. Yeah, okay, counter completed in after. Okay, so if plan, if there is a plan, yes, return. Yay. Then with counter failing, line 16, no, wait, where is it? Test. With counter failing. Okay, here. Ha, yes, of course. So if not ended, we need to do that. So is, oh no, wait a second. So this makes sense. If there is a plan, okay, so apparently here is there is, if there is a counter and failing, okay, the counter and I call and, so it's failing and then I don't want to verify it again, so return. So if not ended, yeah, but that's not true because I need to do that, okay? So if plan, okay, if there is a plan, if there is a plan and not ended, yes, it's all passing. Okay, so let's verify things. So in reality, it's different because I could just do if plan else. or if ended return. Here we go. So the code is better and more readable. Okay, I think I've done this module. Look, I don't think there is much else. I really like this way. Oh, I need one more thing. Okay. And I think there is an API in here. It's the counter. No? I think there is. What should... No. So my daughter just arrived to photobomb this, but you can see her, but she's hugging me, so I'm not going to show my daughter for obvious reason, but she's here, and this is probably my cue that I need to get going. So I'm so sorry. I will finish my this work later on. Okay. So thank you. This seems more or less my the way we are going to be. Thank you very much for joining. Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm coming. I thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Hello. Bye bye.